With its sweet taste, a tender consistency and musky undertones, it is not surprising at all why Christopher Columbus explained the papaya as fruit of the angels. This fruit has a great amount of nutritional value, and has many health benefits. Due to its strong anti-inflammatory properties, this fruit can freely be used as a potent cure for treating numerous health issues, including cancer, blood sugar level, heart disease, wounds, and digestive issues. Health benefits of papaya seeds. 1. Protects against heart disease. Regular consumption of papayas can prevent atherosclerosis and diabetic heart disease. Papayas are an excellent source of vitamins A, C and E, all very powerful antioxidants. These three nutrients help prevent the oxidation of cholesterol, which is one of the main causes of heart attacks and strokes. Papayas are also a good source of fiber, which can be very helpful in lowering high cholesterol levels. 2. Improves digestion. The high amount of the digestive enzyme, called papain, present in papayas helps break down tough protein fibers, and aids the natural digestion process. The fruit's high water and soluble fiber content also make the digestion process easier. This in turn promotes proper functioning of bowel movements and helps prevent constipation. In addition, the high amount of folate, beta-carotene, and vitamins C and E in papayas can help reduce the risk of colon cancer. 3. Protects eyesight. According to a study published in the Archives of Ophthalmology, eating 3 or more servings of papaya per day may lower your risk of age-related macular degeneration, the primary cause of vision loss in older adults, by 36%, as compared to those who ate less than 1.5 servings daily. 4. Helps treat arthritis. Papaya contains several anti-inflammatory enzymes that help relieve pain caused by arthritis. The two most unique protein-digesting enzymes present in papaya are papain and chemapapain, which can greatly lower inflammation associated with rheumatoid arthritis. 5. Improves complexion. Papaya has several healthy components that are great for your skin. Papaya can be used as a face pack to enjoy maximum skin benefits. When ripe papaya is used as a face pack, it helps open clogged skin pores, which helps treat acne and prevent skin infections. The fermented flesh of papaya can also help dissolve dead skin cells, and give you fresh and glowing skin because of papain. It also reduces signs of aging on the face. 6. Nourishes hair. Papaya is also very beneficial for your hair. Rich in several minerals, vitamins and enzymes, papaya can boost hair growth and strength. It can also help increase your hair volume by nourishing the hair shaft. Papaya is also used for controlling dandruff. 7. Prevents cancer. There are several important compounds in papaya that can reduce your risk of developing certain types of cancers. The rich antioxidant content, especially lycopene, beta-carotene and carotenoid known as beta-cretosxanthin, is particularly beneficial in reducing cancer risk. 8. Helps maintain healthy weight. Papayas are high in vitamin A and C, folate, fiber and potassium. These nutrients are good for your health. Moreover, the fruit is rich in fiber that makes you feel fuller for longer and also prevents constipation. A small papaya provides almost 11% of the recommended daily value of fiber required in the diet. 9. Helps treat hypertension. Papaya is a good source of potassium, a kind of mineral that counteracts the effects of sodium, and helps keep blood pressure levels within a normal range. 10. Boosts immune system. Papaya contains a high amount of vitamin C that helps increase white blood cells and protects cells from free radical damage. Other powerful immune-boosting antioxidant vitamins in papaya are A and E. Both vitamin A and E are required for the proper functioning of a healthy immune system. This makes papaya very good for those who frequently suffer from colds, coughs or the flu.